Good morning everyone. Welcome to our next class. I, Shweta Somra Punya, will be teaching you English of class 6th, and in our previous class we read about a dog who was in search of a master for himself, and finally he found one, the strongest on the earth. He found a man, and till date he is staying with a man. So today we will do the question answers to this chapter. Get ready. Everyone will finish the work in your notebooks in a very beautiful and neat handwriting. Okay, let's get started. Why did the dog feel the need for a master? You all know the answer to this question. The dog felt a need for a master because he was tired of wandering about by himself. अकेला घूमता घूमता परेशान हो गया था, अपनी ही लाइफ से वो बोर हो गया था बहुत ज़्यादा. Who did he first chose as his master? पहला master कौन था? First master was Wolf. You remember I told you main characters of the chapter. The first master was Wolf. Why did he leave that master? He left that master because the wolf was afraid of a big bear. The dog first chose a wolf. First master was Wolf as his master, but he found the wolf afraid of the bear. So the wolf was afraid of bear. So he left the company of the wolf, and this was the reason he left the wolf's company and started living with the bear. Who did he choose next? Who did the dog choose next master? First master was Wolf. You all know. First master was a wolf. Then he went to a bear. So next master was bear. He chose bear as his master, next master. Okay. Why did he serve the lion for a long time? You all know lion is the king of the jungle. He is strongest animal in the jungle. So he stayed a longer time in lion's company. He served the lion for a long time because he found there was no more powerful and stronger than lion in the forest. कोई भी प्राणी उससे ज़्यादा strong और powerful नहीं था जंगल में, ठीक है? Who did he finally chose as his master and why? You all know. First was wolf. Second one was, yes, exactly, bear. Third one was lion, and the fourth one was man. Yes, the dog finally chose a man, his last master, as his master. Even the lion was afraid of man. Lion, being the strongest animal in the jungle, was also afraid of man, क्योंकि man lion को hunt कर सकता है, tame कर सकता है. He is far more stronger. He has a brain as well. Okay, so he was afraid of man. So it was agreed that man was the strongest on earth. Okay, and this is the reason dog is staying with man till today. Okay, we will move on to the next part of our chapter. A summary of the story is given below. There is a short summary given here. We will mark 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then because there is a shortage of space, so I will not be able to write all these phrases. So I'll mark 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you just write it down in your notebooks. So first one is 1. This is 2. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So these are 8 phrases. This is a story of number 1, a dog. This is a story of a dog who used to be his own master. Who used to be his own master. He decided to find a master stronger than anyone else. This is the next phrase. First he found, whom did he found first? First he found a wolf. So, wolf is on fourth number. But the wolf was afraid of bear. Yes. So, here we will write this. Okay. If there is any difficulty, you can just read the points 1, 2, 3, 4 and then you have to write the complete phrases in the blanks. Okay, beta? The dog thought that the bear was, this was sixth, yes, this was sixth one. So, here sixth. After some time, the dog met, whom did the dog meet? The dog met a lion. The dog met a lion who seemed the strongest. He stayed with the lion for a long time. One day, he realized that the lion was afraid of man. The lion was afraid of man. To this day, the dog remains man's best friend. Okay? So, these are the phrases. In the previous page, we have marked 1, 2, 3, 4 and because we have done those phrases, the remaining we are doing in this page. So, only 3 of them were there. So, we wrote 6, 7 and 8 points. I hope there will not be any confusion in this part. Okay. We will switch on to the next part now. Each word in the given box below indicates a large number of anything, group of anything. For example, a herd of cows. Herd means group of cows, refers to many cows. Okay? So, similarly, we will use the group of something. So, one word for that group will be written in the blanks. Complete each of the following phrases with a suitable word from the box. Now, we will complete it from this box. Okay, we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So, these are 8 words we have to use in these blanks. So, a dash of sheeps, a dash of ships, a fleet of ships. We will write a fleet of ships. A dash of flowers. What? A bunch of flowers. I know everyone knows the answers, but still we have to complete the part also. A dash of chicks. What? A brood of chicks. A brood of chicks. Okay? So, we will switch on to the next part. A dash of cattle. A herd of cattle. Okay? A dash of sticks. Bundle of sticks. Bundle of sticks. A dash of sheep. A flock of sheep. A dash of fish. A school of fish. We will write a school of fish. Last, a dash of wolves. A pack of wolves. A pack of wolves. So, we are done with the question answers and the exercise part. So, hope you all understood your chapter 2 and come prepared in our next class. Write all these questions and the exercise done in your notebooks. Okay? So, be prepared and come to our next class. Until then, goodbye. Take care.